Hello everyone. Today I am preparing Masala Egg Curry. It's super tasty and super easy. Let's see how to do it. Fry the eggs. Add little salt. Little red chili powder, turmeric powder, and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it its side. Okay, some oil, 1 cinnamon stick, 3-4 cardamom, and star anise. 1 big size onion, chopped and fried. Add green chili, garlic, and ginger. Add 2 big size tomatoes, chopped one. Cook until soft. Cover it and cook. Wow, you'll see like this. Looking nice. Add some turmeric, red chili powder, salt, cumin powder, black pepper, coriander powder, and garam masala. Wow, aroma is nice. Add some water, glass of water. Bring it to boil. Okay, nice. Let's add eggs. Add some coriander leaves. Cover it and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Wow, it's after 10 minutes, like this. Very nice. Some more 2 minutes I cook. Now it's ready. For tasty, delicious. Mouth-watering egg curry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.